Following the close of this year's reporting window, which saw 93% of mandatory and 53% voluntary signatories submit reports on their responsible investment activities, we have been busy preparing their outputs. These are viewed in the Data Portal, our online platform that enables signatories and public users to access reported data. With data from thousands of investors, it offers a wealth of in-depth insights on responsible investment practices and trends. We produce two types of outputs for signatories based on their reported information: transparency reports and assessment reports. Transparency reports are available in two formats: public and private. Public transparency reports provide accountability and support signatories to have internal discussions about their practices and to discuss these with their clients, beneficiaries, and other stakeholders. They are publicly available on the PRI website from 2014 to 2020, and in the Data Portal from 2021 onwards for all signatories to view, and include all responses to core indicators as well as responses to plus indicators that signatories have agreed to make public. Private transparency reports include the same information, as well as any responses to plus indicators that have not been made public. They are only available to the reporting signatory on the Data Portal. Assessment reports present scores for all the indicators and modules that signatories reported on in 2024. They facilitate learning and development by outlining how signatories' responsible investment practices compare across asset classes and with peers, and how they can be improved. Assessment reports are always private and only available for the reporting signatory to view on the Data Portal, but they can choose to share them with clients, beneficiaries, and other stakeholders outside the Data Portal. Signatories will have access to the following features in the Data Portal this year: high-level reporting summary statistics, online access to 2024 public and private transparency reports, 2024 assessment reports, private and public climate reports, and senior leadership statements. Online access to 2024 module scorecards to customize peer groups and compare peer scores. Option to download 2024 public and private transparency reports, summary scorecards, climate reports, and senior leadership statements in PDF and CSV format. Option to download full 2024 assessment reports in PDF and CSV format. Online access to other signatories' public transparency reports, full dataset of public responses 2014 to now in CSV format. Signatories' public and private reports 2014 to 2020 in PDF format. We encourage signatories to share their assessment reports with clients or other stakeholders. However, it is important to ensure that the information shared, particularly on scoring, is an accurate representation of the reporting outputs and adheres to the following guidelines. Signatories should avoid portraying any single score as representative of an overall or average score. Signatories should avoid disclosing individual module scores in isolation and instead present them with the full summary scorecard, which contains all module scores to ensure full transparency. Signatories should avoid disclosing individual indicator scores in isolation and instead present them with the full module scorecard, which contains all individual indicator scores per module. Publication of scores should be accompanied by access to the full assessment report and public transparency report. We look forward to sharing more information about next year's reporting with you soon. Thank you.